All right, so we stopped by the rock garden real quick on the way to Little Blue. A couple people have tried this, no luck. This guy's the closest. I'm gonna try and film and guide him. Go, go! Yeah! Hey, back up, you gotta move over a little bit. Come on back. Turn hard driver now. Back up. Hard driver. There you go. Yeah. Keep going. Keep. No, you're good. Keep going. Start turn hard passenger. Okay, now forward. Yep. There we go. What do you think of that?